Hey guys, welcome back to my next video of Pandas tutorial for beginners. In this video, we'll be looking at indexing. This will come in handy when we are provided with large datasets and have to filter data from it. So now let's get started. Now let's say we want to make a car brand column as our index. So one way to do this is, now let's specify the column name, which is car brand. So as you can see here, car brand has become a new index here. Now let's reset the index. To do this, we can use the reset index function. So if you notice here, we were able to reset the index, but it has not been saved here. So to save that, you can use in place. So now the index has been reset and saved to the data frame. We can search through the indexes using lock and ilock. We have covered this in the previous videos. Now let's see how multi-indexing works. As the name suggests, it simply means creating multiple indexes. So now let's create two indexes, car brand and car model. To save this change, we have to use in place here. So as you can see here, we have two indexes, car brand and car model. Now let's say we want to sort our first index on the basis of alphabetic order. To do this, we can use the sort index function. As you can see here, the car brand column has been sorted in the alphabetic order. Now let's say we want to sort our first index in the ascending order and the second index in descending order. Since we want our first index in ascending order, we'll type in true here. And the second index in descending order, which is false. Now to save this, we'll use in place here. So now the first index has been sorted in ascending order and the second in descending order. Now let's try to search for convertible using lock. As you can see here, we were not able to find convertible in the index. This is because it searches for convertible in this first column rather than the second. So what we can do is, here let's specify the element of the first index. Let's say BMW here and then coupe. So this time it was able to fetch the record we were searching for. So now let's try using ilock to fetch this record, which is in the second position. There will be 0 and 1. So as you can see here, we have got an unexpected output. This is not the record we are searching for. This is because unlike lock, ilock searches on the basis of the initial indexing, not on multi-indexing. It cannot search on the multi-index record. So let's check our previous record by resetting it. So this is our initial indexing. This record has been fetched from here. So thank you for watching my video and stay tuned for more.